If you struggle with social anxiety, finding the right job can feel overwhelming. For me, it took years. Between writing good resumes, job interviews, and managing schoolwork, the whole process was incredibly stressful. But there is a way out of this problem. Remote work is one of the best ways for people with social anxiety to succeed because it involves limited in-person social interaction, free schedules, and creative thinking. So in this video, I'm sharing 7 of the best remote jobs for people with social anxiety. First up on our list is freelance writing and copywriting. Freelance writing can include writing articles, blog posts, or content for clients, while copywriting focuses on writing marketing content like sales pages or ads. One of the best parts about these two options is that you get to communicate ideas, tell stories, or solve problems without face-to-face contact. You can be behind your screen writing information for people while living your best life at home. It's especially good for people with social anxiety because if you're really good at it, you can make income on your own without even having to talk to people at all. A good example of this can be starting a blog. A blog is essentially a website that contains written content on a certain topic or idea. In today's day and age, you can literally write about anything you want, and in a couple of years of commitment and effort, you can make some steady passive income. One caveat for this option is, of course, being a talented writer. Before choosing this, I would consider assessing your writing skills to make sure you have what it takes to be a good fit for these two jobs. Data analytics is also a good role to consider, especially if you are good with statistics, science, or math. In this role, you get to study a topic of your interest in quantitative, deliberate steps. The goal for research is to discover something new or interesting about the world that surrounds us, something that people with social anxiety are pretty good at doing. Many who suffer from it have powerful imaginations and creativity, allowing them to come up with incredible ideas to solve. While you might have to report findings or collaborate with the team, research provides you with an opportunity to study things independently from other people. And the best part? You get to choose many of the things you want to study. Unlike corporate 9-to-5s where your employers tell you what to do, research provides you with the opportunity to do all of those things on your own. Outside of limited social contact, research allows you to immerse yourself into topics that you want to study, which might help you to understand the world better, harness your creativity in a meaningful way, and understand yourself much better in the process. This is an excellent job for people with social anxiety, especially for those who enjoy studying deep topics with or without a team by their side. Graphic or web design is a deeply underrated option. When I started my social anxiety blog, socialanxietyhaven.com, I was deeply struggling with my website's design. It took me weeks to edit customizable templates, create an About Me page, and start my first post. Getting past the design phase was very hard, but if I had hired a graphic or web designer, the whole process would have been so much easier. People who specialize in graphic or web design are masters at visual cues, understanding what looks good to the human eye. They are very talented at capturing people's attention through textual format, visual structure, or overall presentation. One of the perks of graphic and web design is that it pays well, especially if you create your own website. For people with social anxiety, this is a great work option, as it gives you the freedom to work on your own, earn a good living, and expand your creativity. Out of all the jobs on this list, this one can be especially fulfilling. Transcription or captioning is a great option as well. Unlike previous jobs I've mentioned, transcription and captioning involves simple, repetitive tasks like writing down captions for things that you hear during visual or audio content and making sure they appear at the right time. It's kind of like closed captions for a YouTube video, except you will be the one who is personally writing the captions yourself. While this might sound simple and monotonous, there is a great importance in doing this, as it can provide important information for people who are struggling with hearing, for students learning a new language, or for anyone who needs clarity and structure for video content and information. In choosing this job, you are not only doing something to serve an employer or a client, you are helping a broad audience of people at large, and there is a great value in doing that. Outside of helping other people consume content, captioning and transcription provides a rhythmic structure to people's days. It isn't as abstract as graphic design or as intensive as research. It provides a strong balance of limited social contact and steady, focused work that lets you build confidence through consistency. The 5th job on this list is coding and software development. Arguably the job with the highest monetary potential, coding and software development is a strong choice for people who understand the mechanics, operations, and technological innovation. If you are already great at this or want to learn more about it, now is an excellent time to do so. In the era of AI, where all information is accessible at your fingertips, now is a great time to learn how to code. The only downside, of course, is that because there is so much information available to us, it has gotten pretty competitive to be a coder. In fact, since the entry of AI, it is estimated that 20% of entry-level coding jobs have disappeared. But the good news for people with social anxiety is that you don't have to have a traditional job to be a coder. You can design software and code things on your own. Great examples of this could be developing a gaming app or something that solves a problem you care about, building a browser extension that makes someone's workflow easier, or creating automation tools that help people save time. In the era of AI, all of the information that you need is at your fingertips. All you have to do is start. Virtual assistant roles are also an incredibly good option as well. This kind of work involves supporting a business by handling organizational tasks. Examples of this include managing emails, scheduling appointments, organizing documents, handling customer questions, updating spreadsheets, or just generally keeping projects on track with the business. Your job in this situation is to assist with the operations of a business to make sure everything is in order. This kind of work matters because businesses today depend on organization and consistency, and many owners feel overwhelmed with the details of running a business. This is an excellent opportunity if you are a deeply organized person who desires things to be done right and well. While there is social contact involved, it is usually very predictable and task-oriented, meaning that you can contribute your time meaningfully without complex social dynamics and interactions. It's a way to be productive, organized, and impactful while keeping social stress low. And lastly, online tutoring. Online tutoring is a role where you help someone understand a subject they're struggling with, whether it's math, writing, language, or test prep. While this often involves direct communication with someone, it's on a specific topic you already have awareness and knowledge about, which eases a lot of the tension in the social situation. In this role, you get to share your knowledge on something, which builds confidence and can be incredibly empowering for someone with social anxiety. So there you have it. 7 remote jobs that let you survive while having social anxiety. These jobs provide you with a stable source of income while you are trying to overcome the mental illness that we all know and hate. If you want more details on these roles and where to find them, check out my blog linked below. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions and maybe answer the question, which job of these do you think fits you best? Take care, everyone.